question. How do we go about solving this question? Okay, you need to pay attention to the mass. Okay, so we do have mass 1 and mass 2. So we're going to work this, and remember that everything on this side is going to be based on x1. So x1 is going to be applied to mass 1 and k1. Okay, now x2 will be, we're going to apply to, it's gonna be applied to this one and that one there. Okay, let me just go and give you it in details. So this is where you're gonna have x1. Here you will get x1. This is where you're gonna have x2, and this side you're gonna get x2. Okay, and if you have to solve for this question, you're going to have something like, you're going to break it down into two. You're going to break it down into two sections. So you're going to have to take this side. Okay, so this is what we're gonna get. You will have into let me just take everything here. So you have to solve for this block here on its own. Okay, and secondly, you would have to solve this other one, the remaining block. So we're going to have two blocks because they have two mass. So mass 1 and mass 2. So the equation for mass 2, this is the one that we need to use, and then we're going to solve this one. So I'll just break them into two, so then we should be able to solve them. Okay, now what I'm going to write down, okay, since you see there's no ft, we don't have any ft here. Okay, so meaning ft will be, we're going to write 0. So in both equations, so we're going to have 0 equal. Okay, and I know for mass 1 it's gonna be d square over dt square, and then I'm gonna put x1 of t plus k1 times x1 of t plus k2. Now k2, we're going to have the one that is close to the mass is the one that's going to have a high priority, minus 2 t dt. Okay, that is what you're going to get for m. And what about this one? So you're going to have 0, since we don't have any ft. Equations going to be, you're going to have 0 equal to m2 d square dt square and x2 of t plus, okay, if I take k3, it's gonna be x2 of t plus k2, which is gonna be the one close to the mass. It's gonna have them up, gonna be the first one, minus the one that is far. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get on both equation for this question. And since we have the value of m, it's given, so we know that and I can even just move them their side, so then should be able to plug the value inside. Okay, so this is what we got here, this is what we got. Okay, and the first equation, m equal to 1, so we're going to write it that way. It's gonna be 0 equal to 1 times dt is gonna be d square dt x1 t plus k1, it's 1, so it's going to be x1 of t plus k2 equal to 2, it's going to be 2, this one negative x2. Okay, the same for this one, will be 0, m2 equal to 2 plus k3 equal to 2 plus k2 2. And then you can solve for this equation later on. So you're going to have this equation that you're going to solve. Okay, so this is it. That's what we got for this question here.